I don't think that you can avoid the tariff situation altogether, but I do think that there are ways that people can do things to mitigate these impacts. First, if you can, diversify your network so that you're not solely dependent on any one given vendor. That can certainly help. At LightRiver, we have expertise in all the tier 1 optical vendors, so we can help in the architecting, the designing, and even deploying of multi-vendor networks. Not having all your eggs in one basket is definitely something that can help, and we all certainly learned that during the supply chain crisis following the pandemic. It can insulate you a bit from the supply chain issues or price increases, but it doesn't eliminate them, but it can give you some options. The next thing that I would recommend is to have a very proactive and robust maintenance program. Keeping your network up to date with its current software release, for example, making sure that the maintenance of the product and fiber is being performed, making sure that your past investment has as long of a life as possible. We at LightRiver have a FlexOPS solution that does that just for our customers. It's a proactive service that maintains the health of the network to make sure that those assets that you have spent money on are up to date and have a long life, which could result in, obviously lower near-term spend and actually keeps your outages to a minimum as well. And then lastly, I think making sure that you've identified any unused assets or bandwidth that you may have in your network. There may be devices out in the network today that are not being used efficiently or even at all. There may be bandwidth that may be available that you can use for new services. This could give customers the runway that they need to keep their CapEx spend to a minimum until things stabilize. At LightRiver, we have a software-enabled solution called NEO. It stands for Network Inventory Optimization. This solution goes out and assesses networks for inefficiencies and identifies stranded assets that can be reused or even redeployed. So taking steps like this can minimize the amount of CapEx that our customers may think they need to spend in the short term. It makes sure that their networks are optimized and running efficiently. And obviously, LightRiver is here to help.